What if your physical mailing address is outside the area or city you service? Will it impede your Google business profile from ranking in Google Search or Google Maps? Google offers what's known as a service area-based business. Basically, it's a Google business page with no storefront. Instead, it specifies service areas, as in zip codes, cities, counties, etc., where that business conducts its dealings. Now, that's a fine option if all your competitors also operate service area-based businesses only. However, in real estate, that's simply not the case. Having an address located in the city in which the Googler is searching gives you a major algorithmic edge. What's more, Google evaluates the proximity of your address to the prospective customer's point of search. Now, anybody can designate service areas on their profile, whether they have an address or don't have an address. But doing so is effectively superficial. Service areas reportedly have no measurable impact on improving a profile's ranking position. So bottom line, the physical address matters. In addition, Google's released a pseudo-recent update they've dubbed the Vicinity Update. In effect, it's placed even more emphasis on the business's physical location proximate to the searcher's location or the intended location of their search. More details in the caption.